Guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need leek leaves, onion leaves, shrimp, fresh shrimp, onion. I have 2 big onions and 1 small onion. The 2 bigs will be blended and the 1 small will be fried. Garlic, hot pepper, ginger. I'm going to use half of this ginger. Is frozen, so I'm waiting for it to get soft so I can cut it. White pepper, salt, cube, cooking oil, peeled peanut, meat of choice. I'm using here beef. You also need smoked fish, which I don't have because I wasn't able to find one, but it's okay if you just use the meat. Plantain, of course, or whatever you're gonna eat with it. You can eat with cocoa yam, you can eat with yam, you can eat with yam, taro, plantain here, cassava, bobolo, viande. There's so many, couscous, rice. There is so many options to eat this soup with, but I'm eating mine with plantain. I love it with plantain. The second most important ingredient is the bitter leaf. This is dry bitter leaf, so I soaked it overnight and now I'm going to boil it because it's a little bit bitter. I am going to boil it, then wash it a little bit more so I can take out that bitterness. So let's get started. After the peanut has cooked for probably 20 to 30 minutes, as you can see, it's still hot. I removed it. I did not drain the water. There's not much water left out of it. Now I'm going to blend it and add into my pot and cook it. You have to blend this until it is smooth to the touch. It should not be grainy. Very smooth, so we're gonna go ahead and add it into our pot. Go ahead and blend the rest and add it and let it cook for 20 minutes. So while the peanut is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get the meat ready. I usually boil it, but today I'm not going to boil it. Add some oil here in this pot, just a little bit of oil, and add my clean meat. Oops. Salt, black pepper, our peanut looks ready. It's been cooking for almost 40 minutes now. You want to make sure this cooks well because some people might be sensitive to the peanut not being well cooked and they might get sick of it. Here is my bitter leaf. I'm going to go ahead and add my bitter leaf into the peanut. As you put it, you have to spread it like this so that it gets everywhere. When you have put about half of your bitter leaf, you're going to go ahead and stir. Okay, I'm going to add the rest. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my white pepper and my salt. If you eat cube, this is also a good time to add cube. I've seasoned the meat and nothing else. White pepper. I love white pepper, and this is one big ingredient here. So I'll put like 2 tablespoons. Make sure you don't put too much salt because you're also going to add the shrimp and the shrimp will be salted. Onion. Add your shrimp. So I'm going to season my shrimp with some salt and white pepper.